My name is Mike Palmer. I'm the Chief Product Officer at Druva. I've come to Druva from Veritas, where I was also the Chief Product Officer. I met Jaspreet through a LinkedIn connection that he made with me after viewing some videos that I had done and what I feel like is the future of data management, in particular in the cloud space. And I think Jaspreet and I have a relatively easily made connection about the vision for the product set here at Druva, but in particular how the market's going to move. The thing that is inescapable to understand is the prevalence of cloud computing in the decision-making framework of the enterprise. And whether you're working at a small enterprise or a mid-market company or a Fortune 50 company, increasingly the decisions about business processes, application architecture, and for that matter, how to remain global and compliant all revolve around cloud adoption. What Druva has the opportunity to be is the company that redefines data protection and data management for the cloud customer. So that next generation platform, understanding how to protect data, how to make that scalable and accessible, but at the same time, converge data protection with data management and compliance techniques that have made life difficult for enterprises on premises for many years, but should become infinitely better for them in the cloud. When we think about differentiating Druva in the data protection and data management marketplace, we're going to talk a lot about the lessons learned in building native architectures into the AWS platform. We're going to talk a lot about the ability to extend stored data at velocity into services as they are built and released by Amazon and Amazon's partners. And ultimately, like all business models, we're going to talk about the ongoing cost savings that our customers are going to achieve working with us as we help them take advantage of the best that Amazon has to bring them. It's important to have vision, but it's more important to service your customers every day. And building on the great base of customers that our products have, whether that's InSync or Cloud Ranger or Phoenix, and being able to enact the vision in real time is my primary role. I will be our Chief Customer Advocate, our Chief Product Advocate, our Chief Commercial Advocate, but ultimately a marketeer for what I believe can be the next generation data management platform.